the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Tom Harris.
You can just see the top of one of the lighted buildings there. The fog's definitely rolling back in, and it is going to be pretty foggy overnight. Use caution if you're going to be out on the roadways, especially tomorrow morning. The clouds and fog going to keep our temperatures a little bit warmer. Right now we're at 70 degrees out at the airport. The winds are to the southeast at 8 miles per hour. Daytime high today 73 degrees. Normally this time of year we should be at 68. A low definitely on the mild side. 61 was the morning low temperatures. Now most of the area are in the 60s and 70s, 63 in Rockport, 66 in Port A. Some of these areas didn't see much clearing today with the fog. 70 in Alice, 71 in Kingsville. Now we do have the winds out of the southeast bringing in that moisture, and along with it that sea fog. So visibilities right now at the Naval Air Station is about 1 mile, about 1 mile in Ingleside. The same for Rockport, but as we head into tomorrow morning, a lot of these areas the visibility is going to drop down to about 0 or quarter mile up to maybe about 1 mile, but it is going to be another very foggy evening. So a dense fog advisory has already been issued for our bays and our Gulf waters as well. Now here's a look at the combination radar and satellite imagery. We are seeing a little bit of light rain out there, heavier shower activity now moving across parts of the upper Texas coast. You can see that rain right along the sea drift area, just very spotty areas of some drizzle in our air region. But some areas did pick up some decent rainfall this morning with some of those showers. Areas like Taft, about a ½ inch of rain, close to a ½ inch of rain in Rockport. The same right there near Aransas Pass. Here in the city, not a whole lot, but some areas did pick up about 1/10 to about 2/10 of an inch of rain. Now we got the warm air coming on up, so tomorrow we are looking for temperatures to be in the mid 70s, so it is going to be warm for this time of year. Not much wind and maybe a few breaks of sunshine, so our weather is going to be improving just a bit for our Sunday, and we're going to stay in a rather warm, cloudy weather pattern for much of the work week ahead. Future tracker indicating some light rain overnight, primarily up here, isolated showers tomorrow morning, but then as we move into the afternoon, we might see a mixture of some sunshine and clouds, and the fog and the clouds come back again for Monday morning. Here's what's happening around the rest of the country. Seeing some pretty good rain across parts of Florida, but the big storm system, this is pounding parts of the west. You can see this spinning right here, producing heavy rain across parts of San Francisco all the way into Southern California. These areas that have seen those big fires are looking for the potential for mudslides. The Sierra Nevadas, anywhere between 1, 2, 3 feet of snow, and this is just the first one. There's another one coming in on its heels. The good news is that cold air that impacted much of the Midwest and the upper Ohio Valley has now retreated back to the north. Temperatures have warmed up. Chicago right now at 39 degrees. Here's a look at our forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies, dense fog likely. Look for an overnight low right around 61 degrees with light winds. Then for tomorrow, kind of like today, but as I mentioned, a little drier air. Looking for a high temperature about 76. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. We're going to stay in the mid 70s Monday, Tuesday. The winds are going to pick up a bit as we move into the middle part of the work week. The next cold front's going to come in probably Friday, maybe into Saturday morning. That's going to cool us down for late into the week and early into next weekend. Jeff Dubroff's going to have your sports coming up next. Stay with us.